okay, we took forever to make part 2 because we was trying to get some shit together. But it's hair, niggas. It's
bitch, Ratchet, Mrs. motherfucking EMT, goddamn.
Say what you gotta say.
Oh, before we start the video, you know what I'm saying? If you know you ain't gonna like what's said in the video,
turn that shit off.
Direct your mouse to the fucking X, alright? You don't have to watch the shit at all.
And then wait, time the fuck out. And if you got a comment, don't post a motherfucking status about it, bitch. Comment on the motherfucking video.
Tag me in it, nigga.
Tag me, bitch. Fuck you saying?
Yeah.
Tag
me in it too.
Abigail Nelson, Tara Walker, Cherika Monet,
Monquay, bitch.
Get it right. My bad, bitch. Monquay, not Monique. Okay, Monquay.
With the apostrophe.
But anyways, I mean, what's the issue? What's part 2?
We was gonna have some special guests up in this thing.
Makina and Sharmika.
Shout out to y'all niggas. We give y'all props, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that was a low blow.
Low blow!
bitch.
First, y'all was the sometimers at first, but now y'all got y'all upgraded to damn low blow. Can you go? How low can you go? Okay. That was low blow because, like, bruh, we made a video, even though we didn't take you out like that, but we made a video.
We can't take her out like that either.
But I'm saying, though, we made a video first.
Exactly. We took you and your whole team. We're a team with it. We took you and your fucking team out, bitch.
They gotta come back in 2 days, bruh.
It's been 3 weeks. We recorded our shit on the 4th. This shit was posted by the 5th. It's the, 26th. We still ain't got no motherfucking comeback. And now you wanna, then you wanna take the shit down and go in Tarver office, and then you wanna get the balls to repost the shit, and then start tagging niggas in it like, so you got balls now? Really? Where's our comeback? Where's our fucking comeback? Where's our fucking comeback? We want a fucking comeback, bitch. Where's our fucking comeback?
I know you ain't gonna take that, bro. I'll record a video right now, bro. Take these niggas out, bro. Take these niggas. I'm just playing.
What?
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about Brittany.
Oh, fuck that hoe. I don't give a fuck, bro. I don't give a fuck. You taking low shots at people that
4'11".
Exactly.
They're like this tall.
But you wouldn't take no shots at us when we called y'all the fucking sometimers. We goddamn took y'all out on. We're a team when it comes to this one.
I thought you said we was gonna reevaluate your friends.
Exactly. Your same friends that was there for you at the mall, bitch. But you sitting there making videos at the bitch house like, oh, you love her. Oh, I love you, Morgan. She don't fucking love you. She was not fucking there for you. But my niggas was there when we was about to beat that ass, right?
I was coming back, you know, I had to drop her off, but I was on the way back.
She was there from the get-go.
Yep.
Exactly. But you sitting there making shout-outs. Oh, I love you. Let's not get on the camera, man.
Nigga, Jari. We say her name. Hold on, wait. Do what Jari was doing with the camera. Bounce that ass. And then the camera was just going this. Bruh. Wait,
what he say? Her tricking ass.
Tricking ass up.
Okay.
Low blow
and T. Join the team.
They all
in the fucking team.
Jesus, Lord have mercy.
What else?
What has the Lord?
How you gonna lie, bro? I don't understand. Like, how the hell you gonna say you ain't sit there and co-sign on nothing? I don't understand that. You telling me on the phone that you ain't co-signing for nothing.
Oh, with your big ass in the background. Yes, I'm talking about you, Morgan.
I'm on the phone with you asking you, so you co-signing. I'm looking at the video and you lying. No.
For real. For real.
Right. I swear to God, yeah.
Okay.
I don't understand that.
So you're not going. I'm taking myself out of all the bullshit.
You excluded
Get the fuck out of here.
Shit
but you in the video. The video's at your house. You want to do shout-outs. Okay. And you going back telling them shit. Like, you don't sit in second period with me every fucking day and don't say shit. Like, what the fuck? Really? Really?
She's very mad right now.
Fuck her. Fuck them. Fuck all of them. Bitch.
Yeah. And we don't give a damn if y'all want to keep saying, oh, y'all need to act like seniors. We're acting like
I'm a senior.
Bitch. And my name's on the back. Bitch.
Fucking said May motherfucking 20th. Bitch. I'm graduating with a 3.5. Bitch.
I was gonna say something.
Bitch. For real. We got a 1 too. Bitch. Fuck you saying?
Like, yeah, that was seriously like, you know, fucking the lowest. That was the shallowest shit you could ever do. Like, put her shit out there like that.
Exactly. I ain't even gonna make no video. I'm about to be 17. Bitch, you're not grown. Fuck you saying? Fuck out of here.
What I was talking about?
Whatever.
Don't even matter. But it's a pretty ass day out here though. For real.
Show the view.
Show the view. Oh, we outside.
We got that fire ass motherfucking cameraman like y'all ratchet ass shit.
Let me get you.
Tricking ass.
So that's the one that said, y'all have time?
Hey y'all,
It's me, standing.
Okay. Camera time over. Sorry.
Fame, your 2 minutes of fame is over.
2 seconds more like.
Shit, I can make my own.
Oh yeah,
Fuck you talking about.
What? Oh! You got us in that thing?
Yeah, bitch.
Hands on your head while you're working on the floor. Fire up that kush as I walk through the door. Coochie head to toe, so you know I'm getting chosen. When I hit him with that face, he don't be making hustle. Now watch me work. Alex! I'm sorry. I'm crying. I didn't mean to hit you. Stop it.
Don't feel offended. Don't feel offended. Don't make a video about us. Fuck you saying.
Hands on your head while you're working on the floor.
I done had a crazy bed.
Yeah, we're promoting that flex song.
Party boys.
But anyway.
Hit him with the flick.
Hey.
Shit goes so hard.
Alright, you can. Anyways, I'm just ready for the Super Bowl. I want to have a Super Bowl party.
I think the Saints gonna win, you know what I'm saying?
Hell yeah, Reggie Bush, my boo.
You can have that nigga. You can have that nigga.
Hey, y'all, we gotta shout people out, yo.
Oh, fuck that shit. Let me talk about what just happened to me. I just got my ass beat.
By Kier.
He fucking slapped. He was fucking beat.
Hey, I'm gonna post that video too, though.
No, you not. You ain't gonna post that shit.
Try to
Bro, we had. Wait, time out.
On top of her, beating, just on sitting on top of her. Just
Exactly.
sitting on top of her.
Man. I got my one little good head. Then he got down. You know what I'm saying?
It was
Work that
over.
out.
He was like, But it's all good though, cause I'm gonna beat that ass. You know what I'm saying?
Man, that's what taking us so long
Yeah.
to damn record the video.
Yeah, for
Fuck that
real.
shit.
Like,
Just piss me off.
this was supposed to go down at.
We got out of class at 1 o'clock, bro. It's 1:46.
No, I know you ain't talking. No, I know you ain't talking because we was in the goddamn cafeteria. Come on, Terry. Disappear.
I gotta get some food.
I'm gonna get some food.
I'm hungry. SHD, you damn
Some hungry
right.
girls in this bitch. Oh yeah, we do have.
Y'all can't try me now because we ain't at home.
Fuck that shit, bro. At least we all full. Last time we was hungry.
I know, and then when I'm ready, these niggas gonna get them something to eat. Like, okay.
Nigga, we waited too long for you to eat.
Yeah, we got started getting hungry too. Shit. What else we gonna talk about?
Oh, let me take out that nigga Joe Harris.
You about to take it.
That long ass forehead.
Y'all, have y'all seen Joe forehead? I know I got a big forehead, but I don't think y'all seen Joe Harris's. Joe Harris' forehead so big, like, how big is it? Like, he got that one little dread that be hanging over his little forehead, bruh. And then Derek Harris. Your dumb ass in world geography. Why you sitting over there trying to play? I told you not to piss me off before we record this video. I told you not. I said, what he do? What he do? But anyway, I told that nigga not to. Okay.
Alright, take a lane back to the cut. Thank you. Go ahead, smoke your weed. We'll take care of you later. Later.
Hey, how much we got?
Say what? 8 minutes.
Hey, yeah. But let me finish shout out some niggas, but big shout outs to Derek and Joe. I still fuck with y'all niggas. Goddamn Courtney, goddamn Janessa.
Ratchet affiliate.
Oh yeah, all them
stuff.
Ratchet affiliates.
Oh, shout out to my nigga Damani. That is my nigga.
That's my nigga too, y'all.
Goddamn. In this
Oh,
bitch.
Sandy, let's go sign with Erica.
Huh?
I was saying let's go sign with you. You said shout out to the money.
Okay. Okay.
Everybody just stop like.
Oh, okay.
Shout
Shout out to everybody in one class of pearls here.
Hell yeah, most school spirit in this bit like this here.
My dear hell.
Class clown, yo funny.
Yo, funny. Who don't think I'm funny?
I heard about you,
big dog. I heard.
Fuck that shit, bro. You won. It don't even matter.
So
Whatever, goddamn.
But anyway.
Who else? Shout out to the seniors, you know what I'm saying? Since
The
we
whole
seniors,
senior class.
all 340 of us, we too motherfucking deep.
That's what you
That's
said.
what you said. 240, the same price as dudes.
340.
That's funny.
Oh, hell yeah.
340. I'm gonna pay $100 on my dues. I need to go ahead.
I ain't paying shit, but
I haven't-
$2 for the shirt.
I need to crank.
Obviously, you see I have on green.
Yeah, shit. New school color.
Eyeball.
But please shout out because everybody talking about you ain't shopping here. God damn.
Everybody that-
Oh, my big little brother Rush. You always, you know how
I told that nigga I was
you.
gonna take his ass out.
Oh,
Let me
you
tell
supposed to
something.
be calling him.
You be sometime and you know how you play the size of the team, you know what I'm saying? But you know where the family love at. Big sis over here.
And Snacks, if you don't stop texting me on that bullshit,
Snacks.
asking me who I like and who I don't like, man, fuck
Snacks. Fuck them all. Like I said yesterday. Fuck them all. Like, was that yesterday or Sunday? I don't know.
But Snacks, I still fuck with you though, bro.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this video gonna be out. I don't know when. It's probably gonna be sometime soon. But I'm about to say happy birthday to everybody. Rush, your birthday tomorrow. Snacks, birthday tomorrow. Girl, you know what I'm talking about. Micah Anderson? No, it's not Anderson. Collins, number 5.
Girl.
I call him girl. You call me boy.